This is Red. He is a second chance rescue. He's been abused. When he came to us, we couldn't even get our hands on this big fella. We've taken him to another level. If you're interested in taking your relationship with your horse to the next level, then I'm going to invite you to our 2-day round pen clinic. It will be held at the Uphill Dressage Barn, April 27th, 28th. We're going to start by rebuilding that foundation of trust and leadership. The clinic is designed to give you the tools that you need to create a confident, safe, willing partner that you can enjoy whether you're on the trail or whether you're in the show ring. So if you're interested and want more information, check us out at our website, SCEArescue.com, or check us out on Facebook. Hope to see you there.